I'm Lanisha Lambert. I started this feeding scheme about 2 to 3 months ago. I'm a beautician by trade. I've worked on cruise lines for about 2 years, and ever since being in other countries and seeing how things go, it's exactly the same like it goes in South Africa. And like people always find in other countries, there's no one that helps in our country, no one that sees the need here, because we are so categorized because we're South Africa. Some people would even ask me, is there lions walking in the road? And I'm like, no, we're also people living there. And then that's where my passion came. It started with one pot, and after that one pot, so many people asked like, when is the next feeding? When are we doing this again? And then just the passion came along where I started hunting down for fundings and things like that, just to feed the community. So looking at the Delft area, it's actually a very small area. We are actually 11.8 square kilometers, where we actually have in a square kilometer we have 1,400,000 people living there. And as you can see, the housing structure, we are actually overpopulated. And with COVID bringing it so close home, where even lessening jobs, where people are actually looking for food, people are actually relying on feeding schemes to actually get fed and things like that. So like I said before, it's people, that is what people want. They want the help, they want someone in the communities to stand up. They don't always show it, but that's what they need. And I saw the need in the community, and that's why I took it further. When I went through the background of the R Labs team, I saw this was actually your mission and goal from the beginning, to go into areas and communities that are so vulnerable, that needs what we are doing here. And for the team actually coming out, and for this big company coming out to this small area and actually recording our feeding and helping us in the way you've been helping us, and actually at the time we needed it the most. From me and my team and our community, we're thankful for what you are doing for us. We appreciate all the help, and with all you guys' good hearts, we wish you all the success in the future, and we appreciate all the assistance that you've been giving out to different continents, because it's not only in Cape Town that you are working in. You guys are spread out so far, and thank you to your founder for coming up with this great initiative, Marlon Parker. That this is beyond me, and what we are doing in the communities and what he's doing is greater and bigger than anyone that is busy with the team and doing all the hard work.